So one final thing I want to show is the current graph feature. So let's look at the fact checker graph. So for any of these, you'll see this little button here. When you click on that, just to open up the back end, right now it's just run research. So if you run research, what it does is it takes this claim, Tesla's Model Y was the best-selling vehicle of any kind in 2024. And it's now using, right now it uses, I think, the LLM to come up and destructure the query, and then it uses, right now, Exa to fact-check all of the sub-queries. And so here you see it's getting all these results. And this is what I'm going to move to Perplexity. But it should have decomposed that query. These don't look like subqueries, they just look like news queries on the entire thing, but there we go. So it takes a while to run this. Basically, there's a prompt like, you know, you're a skeptical industry analyst and fact checker. Okay, so this is what we got. Yeah, that looks like a graph. This bottom panel would be much better as a kind of a pop-up or something, so you could use the graph. But basically, so the star one is the main Tesla Model Y best-selling. I don't know why I trimmed that off. Model Y sales highest, sales location, Model Y sales data. Yeah, so these prompts don't look great. So 2024, if it's a diamond shape, that means it's an entity. All vehicle types, Tesla Model Y best selling. So, yeah, these individual, it didn't decompose that prompt very well. But let's go back here. So now if I reload this, this has turned green to show us we actually do have a graph for it. Let's try another one. That one already has a graph. It's quite an interesting graph. Top 5 companies combined market cap, Tesla market cap, and Tesla worth more. Okay, interesting. So basically, Tesla worth more is like those two inputs. So trust is 10%. That seems reasonable for such a inflated claim. Tesla revenue growth, Tesla market cap, top 5 companies market cap. That's really actually pretty cool. So Meta, Amazon. So it's basically combined those together. But it looks like it didn't do any research on some of those. Yeah, oh, maybe this one got stopped because the Exa API was not enabled. So it just built the graph, but then didn't go and fact check the individual nodes. Let's try another one. I quite like that graph though. Okay. Interesting. It's mature, blah, blah, blah. I think it was something controversial to check. Okay, seems like another Elmo claim. So while it's doing that, just go back here, and on any of these claims, as well as the graph, so we're looking for the star, interesting. It built a complex graph for this side, but not so much for that one. So yeah, there's details. This is the same debug stuff, and there's no research for that one, I think we're looking at. So yeah, there's a whole bunch of kind of the same thing, and this is like the pipeline to go through all those steps to 1, 2, 3, 4, or just run everything together. So I'm really just showing this as like the fact-checking system behind it. And boom, oh, that's interesting. It's like a completely disconnected graph, so that's not very good. Huh. Well, there we go. I need to rethink that graphing algorithm. Anyway, the red ones are where trust is below 50, green ones, trust is above 50, and then it should be doing like a compound calculation to get the confidence score of the root node based on the subnodes. But that particular graph is haywire, so that's not good. Anyway, lots to work on. That's it for now.